Hi and welcome back. Let's see how we can create vector shapes in Figma. So in Figma, you can select different forms of vector shapes in the shape tools, or if you want to free draw shapes, you can pick the pen or the pencil tool. Let's start by creating a rectangle. So click and drag to create a rectangle. If you want to create a perfect box, hit the Shift key, click and drag. Okay. Now, if you hover over your shape, you can see those 4 circles in the edges. You can click and drag in to have a border radius to your shape. So let's add border radius to that shape. Let's pick the ellipse, click and drag. If you want to draw a perfect circle, hit Shift, click and drag. And with the ellipse circle, you can create an arc out of it. So you can, with this circle, you can adjust its form. Now let's see how we can create a polygon. You can pick the polygon tool, click and drag. And with the polygon, we have 2 circles. The first one is to increase the amount of polygon edges. The second one is for the border radius. Okay. Now let me show you how you can group 2 shapes. So select my polygon and my arc. Click with the right of your mouse and select group selection in the context menu. And here in the layer panels, we have created a new group with our shapes. Now let me show you how you can use the Boolean groups to create new form of shapes. Let's pick the ellipse tool, hit Shift, create perfect circle. Now let's duplicate this circle, hit Command C to copy, then Command V to paste and move it a bit to the right. Next, select those 2 shapes and go to the top bar in the Boolean groups feature. And in the menu, hit Union Selection. So the Union Selection will addition my 2 shapes to create a single shape, or you can pick subtract selection. Here you have new interesting shape. Next, we can pick the intersect selection. So this is just the part where my 2 circle shape intersect, and we can pick the exclude selection. So it will exclude any interaction of my 2 shapes. Next, let's see how we can edit our shapes. So let's pick this rectangle shapes and go here and pick edit objects. And here in the menu, we have new set of tools. The first one, we can move our edges, okay? So we can add new edges. With the pen tool, we can draw inside our shape. We can bend our anchor points. And with this paint bucket tool, we can subtract the selection. Hit done when you finish. So that's it for this part. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson.